Good morning, everyone. Or actually, it's not morning. It is like middle of the afternoon. So, ended up having to do not only do chores, but we had to do lice treatment, worm treatment, and goat hooves. Which worst job on the homestead is trimming goat hooves. To me, anyways. I can't stand it. So. Yeah. So, I mean, we didn't even get done with basic morning chores until like 1 o'clock. So, got a little lunch. Now it's like 2:30. I'm up here. It's already rained a couple times. We're supposed to have thunderstorms this afternoon. Although you can see, right now we're good. You can tell the wind. It's windy. Look at those windmills. Can you guys see that on the camera? Zoom in! Look how fast those dang wind turbines are going. They are hauling freight. So it's windy here. But I loaded up all my flitches from the last, 2 weeks or so. And we're going to cut these. We use this bucking table. We're going to cut this all into firewood. And we are going to get her stacked. Ouch! Freaking A! Oh! Just got bit! Oh. Oh, right on my head. Damn it. What the hell is in there? Oh, I got a big lump on my head now. Damn. Put your PPE on. Ooh, getting low. That hurts. Dang it. Well, guys, there's that. So it's 2.5 loads I got out of all that, all those flitches. So if you look over there, where is it at? Right there. You can see where I've been doing all the outside rounds and stuff. And that's 2 rows. I'm just started on the 3rd row, the outside row over there. So pretty happy with that. I think what I'm going to do is supposedly rain coming. Put my tools away, and I'm going to grab the skid steer and I'm going to put a load of logs on, and then we'll get this all stacked and put everything away. So let's go get some logs so they'll be ready for the next time.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the tree. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back.
Woo, that's a mess. That's all right. We can pick through all that. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to clean my mess up and get out of here. Looks like we got some clouds moving in. We've got lots of firewood to go get cleaned up, and some of it's, been down on the ground. This here has been on the ground for over 2 years, so it's ready to go. Plus, I posted a short of all the storms that come through, and have just been wiping my forest out, really, to be honest with you. And but just to give you an example, 15, 18 minutes from me, there's a little town up here, old coal mining town. They've been without power for 3 days since this thunderstorms went through, and wiped out a cell tower and all kinds of stuff. Probably, I think they clocked it's like 30, 45 minutes from here, Carrolltown. It wiped out a cell tower, and they believe it was 120 mile an hour winds. So what if that, I know it's not a thunderstorm, but what if that happens in the winter? What are you going to do for heat? How are you going to keep warm? Right here. You got to put the time in when it's warm out so you stay warm in the winter. And this guy right here is going to help me out a lot. I mean, today I just did 3 loads out of this guy by myself. And honestly, didn't use the splitter that much. But, hey, I probably split enough for 2 weeks worth of heating in my house. So, anyways, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some love in the comments, or even some hate. I got some hate. Man, did we get some hate on a short about doing our rabbit hutch with wood shingles. Good Lord, man, I got some hate over that. Sometimes people are just idiots. But anyways, catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. And just remember, stay outside the lines.